I got 34k views on this small channel that you are seeing right here. And you know the amazing part of it, you can also apply this exact strategy that I apply on this small channel and also get exact results. So what you just need to do right now is to watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will not miss any part. Yes, and I will be sharing the disadvantage part of it in the end of this video. So watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will not miss any part. So I know that you have been struggling on how to get views on your long form content. Yes, many people are struggling to get views on their long form content, and if you are among those that is struggling to get views on your long form content, what you just need to do is stay with me from the beginning to the very end so that you will not miss any parts, and I got you covered. Yes, because this video, when you are done watching this video, in fact, you will never struggle with views on your channel. The first strategy is this. It is called consistency. Yes, it is called consistency, and that is the strategy that is working before, and it is still working till now. So on my other channel, I upload every day, every single day, and I make YouTube to know the exact time that I upload videos. For example, you upload video around, let me say, 6 o'clock, because around 6 o'clock, if you are in Nigeria, 6 o'clock is when people comes back at home. Normally that is when they come back to rest. So that time people are ready to, as in they are on YouTube. So that time I normally upload, and I make YouTube to know that every day I upload video around 6 o'clock every day, 6 o'clock every day, 6 o'clock. So the algorithm have noticed the time that I upload my video, and the algorithm know that I upload video every day. So when I scheduled my videos, what the algorithm will do is to start pushing the video to the right audience before the time reach. Because when you upload your video, you will not just upload it, as in you will not just publish it. You either put it on private or unlisted. You schedule the time, then when it reach the time, YouTube will publish it. So that is how it works. So that is how I normally do it. So I do it normally. You will not get view. Do not be discouraged. You will not get view for the first time. You will not get view. But when you keep on uploading every day, it work out very fast. When you upload every day, it normally work very fine. Most especially if you are in one niche, where as in you do not post randomly, do not post like me right now. I'm into YouTube growth niche. So normally what I post on this channel is how to get 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers, and how to get view on your channel and some related part of it. So I do not post anything contrary to that. So that is what you need to be posting. So when YouTube notice that that is what you are posting, YouTube will start pushing it. When YouTube push your video to people, and tomorrow you also post, because those people, you know that someone that want to learn how to get 4,000 watch hour is also interested in learning how to get 1,000 subscribers, as well as learning how to get views on their channel. So you need to answer their question before they even ask you, because when you upload this video, you know that yes, they want 1,000 subscribers, and you make that videos. So that is how it work. Don't post randomly. Yes, and I will be also sharing the second method of it. I'll be showing you my screen. I'll be showing you how you need to set it up so that your channel YouTube will rank your channel, so that YouTube will be showing your video to the right audience. So if you are finding this video interesting, please Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Yes. So without wasting much of your time, let us dive into today's tutorial video.
Just need to do, I will be using my Chrome. So what you just need to do is to click on your Chrome version. So when you click on your Chrome version, come right here, you search youtube.com studio. As you can see, it's youtube.com studio. So when you search it, what you just need to do is to tap, because for example, if you tap this and it take you to the app, if you take you to the app, what you just need to do is to come back, press this icon, then open, just click on open in new tab, click on it. So when you click on it, you come on top, then you click this one. So as you can see, we are now using a Chrome Studio. So the browser, this is the browser. So what you need to do in order to get views on YouTube, what you just need to do is to come right here, this icon that you are seeing that look like magic icon. Let me drag this so that you can see it. That look like magic icon. What you just need to do is to click on it. So when you click on it, the interface will look like this. So first you need to add your banner. Add your banner, you add your picture. I've already added it. So you come back here, you put in your description. Is very, very important, so that it will notify the algorithm that this is what you are doing on your channel, and so that it will make the algorithm to know what your channel is all about. So then you come down right here, so what you just need to do, this video watermark, I hope you know it. That picture that normally on people's video, that picture that normally appear in the end of the video. So this is it right here. So if you want to do it, what you just need to do, I've already input my own picture. So but if you want to learn how to do it, what you just need to do, my own is showing change because I've already input my own image. What I just need to do is to click on change. If I want to change it, then it will show me some of my pictures. And let me just take this one, and that is it, and just click on done. So that's how it works. And click on publish, just click on publish, and then that is all. When you're done inputting everything, then you click on public. So after you're done with that, you come down right here that you are seeing a certain icon. Let me show you. I don't know if you are seeing it. For example, a certain icon. Oh my god, what is happening? So what you just need to do is to click on this. The second method is to click on this setting icon. So when you click on it, this will appear. What you just need to do is to click on channel. When you click on your channel, then first, the most important thing is to put in your location. It's very, very important, because some people are putting United States. I don't know why you will be putting that, because it is not necessary. YouTube want to know the place that you are dwelling, so that they will help you push your video very fast. So if you want your video to be pushed very fast, you select your country name. So for me, I am from Nigeria, and I will be selecting Nigeria, and I am living in Nigeria, so I will be selecting Nigeria. So when you have selected it, then you come right here, you input the necessary keywords on this box that you are seeing right here. It puts the necessary keywords, and I don't know if you understand something that I did on this on this box that you are seeing right here. If you could check, you will see some people's name on it. You will see people's name on the box, and these are people that are in my niche. Yes, these are people that are in my niche. So anytime that their video playing, as in when people are watching their videos and they are done playing, YouTube, because this keyword, their name are on my, I've already put their name on my keyword, it will help YouTube to recommend my video. As in that suggestion, that video that normally suggest at the end of the video, YouTube will suggest my video to them, and from there you will get you get thousands of views. Imagine how many names that I put, but don't put it that much, just put few of it. So that is it. So that is how to get view very fast on YouTube. You put in people that have millions of subscribers on your hashtag, on your keyword, people that are in the same niche with you. So that is how to do it. So I've already saved it. If you are done with that, then you click on this is the third method. You click on this one. So it's very important you enable this one and also enable the second one. The two are very important. These tools are very important. It will help you add collaboration to playlists. It will help you add new videos to existing playlists, playlist creation, video upload. So but the most important one is the second one, which require custom, that is the feature that you will get, is custom thumbnail, live streaming video longer than 15 minutes. So you can see their requirements, what they require from you. Standard feature enabled, and then you need to use your your phone number to verify it. So for those that are complaining for channel verification, if you are in Nigeria, most especially Airtel do not work for YouTube channel verification. If you want to verify your account, you use MTN. So you normally that is what is working, and I've tried it several times. I've used other network, but it has been rejected. But if you use MTN, it will be accepted. So if you are struggling to verify, just use MTN. So that is it. If you are from Nigeria, or if you are in any African country, try using MTN. So that is it. As you can see, the third one is still pending. So but the most important one is these two. So try to enable them. So that is it. So and I told you that I'll be sharing the disadvantage part of it in the end of this video, and that is what I will be telling you. So the disadvantage part of it is, first, keyword stuffing can hurt your channel. What do I mean by keyword stuffing will hurt your channel? For example, because of other top creators that are trending, you go and be using their name on your keyword, so it will look spamming to YouTube. Don't use people that are not related to your niche on your keywords description. When I mean keyword stuffing can hurt your channel, is using plenty keyword on your channel. So do not do that. It will hurt your channel. It will hurt it. And another part is that if you even do that, it will bring wrong audience to your channel, and people will not be watching your videos. Because if they search, and even if they see a video, they will click on it, and when it is different thing from what they are searching for, they will click off. And when they click off, it will give the algorithm signal that your video is not interesting, it's not that interesting. So what YouTube will do is YouTube will stop recommending that video. YouTube will stop pushing it to more people. So and from that from that you are clean your channel, and the visibility, you will not be seeing it on your channel. So if you love what I am doing on this channel, do not forget to subscribe.